Hello friends. Now the next topic in differential amplifier is common mode rejection ratio, which is having abbreviation or which has abbreviation, that is CMRR. We call it common mode rejection ratio, CMRR. The common mode rejection ratio of a differential amplifier is the ratio of differential mode gain to the common mode gain of the amplifier. We take magnitude, we don't consider sign. That is the ratio of differential mode gain to the common mode gain. Ideally, remember one thing, ideally the common mode gain of a differential amplifier should be 0. Therefore, the common mode rejection ratio, ideally it is the differential mode gain by 0, that is infinity. So ideally the common mode rejection ratio of a differential amplifier should be infinite. Fine. Now here we will be talking about both types of differential amplifier, that is BJT based as well as MOSFET based. So let us take case 1, that is for BJT based differential amplifier. In BJT based differential amplifier, we have different possibilities. First is, that is using which parameters? Using R pi, or you can say hybrid pi parameters, right? Hybrid pi modal parameters, you can say hybrid pi modal parameters of BJT. Fine. We know you should be going through my previous videos for remembering that expression. The differential mode gain of BJT based amplifier with hybrid pi parameters is given by, that is GM into RC. This is the expression of the differential mode gain. But remember, we are talking about the double-ended output, differential output. Fine. So here the common mode gain is given by, I can write the expression of the common mode gain as well, that is beta RC divided by R pi plus 1 plus beta into twice RE. That is the expression of common mode gain of the amplifier. Fine. So by putting these two expressions here, what do we get? Therefore, the common mode rejection ratio for this hybrid pi model, that comes out to be GM into RC divided by beta RC whole divided by R pi 1 plus beta, that is 1 plus beta into twice RA. Fine. So you can simplify this like this. Remember, if you remember the expression, I can use this approximation, that is GM into RC. If you remember the expression, this can be approximated to RC by twice RE. You can see that, you can refer the approximated expression. So RC get cancelled out. So that is twice GM into RE. This is the approximated expression of the common mode rejection ratio using hybrid pi parameters. This is very important. You have a lot of questions based on this. So you can please see, ideally it should be infinite. So how can I achieve this to be infinite? By reducing this. Fine. So this can be reduced by increasing RE, or I can say, you can refer this expression by reducing the value of RE. By reducing the value of RE, CMRR reduces. But by increasing the value of RE, the CMRR increases. So the common mode rejection ratio of BJT based amplifier can be increased by using two techniques. First, by increasing RE, or that can also be increased by connecting a current source here. Ideally, if you know, current source is represented by a resistance in parallel like this. This is non-ideal current source, and ideally the resistance of current source is infinite, ideally. So that means by connecting a current source in ammeter circuit, we have the high value of common mode rejection ratio. So in case of BJT based amplifier, differential amplifier, common mode rejection ratio can be increased either by increasing resistance RE or by connecting a current source in ammeter circuit like this. So now another point to be observed here is I can use H parameter model here, and if you remember H parameter model, in case of H parameter model, the expression of this gain is HFE upon HIE. Gain, that is differential mode gain, is HFE upon this, and common mode gain is HFE. Here I have HIE, here I have HFE. Otherwise everything will be similar to what we have discussed. Fine. So you can put here that is HFE upon HIE. Here it is HFE, here it is HIE, here it is HFE. Expression is here is exactly similar. So this will be, you can use approximation here, and that will be replaced by HFE by HIE, and this will be 2 into HFE upon HIE. All expressions will be similar to previous case. Replace beta by HFE, replace GM by HFE upon HIE, replace R pi upon HIE, you will get that expression. Although I have already derived these expressions, you can refer my previous videos, but my focus is here again this. I can reduce CMRR by increasing the value of RE or by connecting a current source in series with the emitter or in the emitter circuit. This is your BJT based amplifier. Let us talk about MOSFET based differential amplifier. Here we will be talking about MOSFET based differential amplifier, and if you remember, for MOSFET based amplifier we have already derived the expression of the common mode gain and differential mode gain. I will be taking single-ended here first. Reason being, I will explain that. So for single-ended output, the differential mode gain is given by, that is GM into RD, 1 by 2. That is for single-ended. Common mode gain is nothing but, that is GM multiplied by, that is RS. That was that was RD by twice RS. That was expression for MOSFET based differential amplifier. So this common mode rejection ratio for this will be, this is for what? That is case 2 for single-ended output. Single-ended output means I am taking output only from one MOSFET, either Q1 or Q2. So in that case it will be, you can please see that you divide this by this, so I get 1 by 2 GM upon RD divided by RD into twice RS. So that is 1 by 4 GM into RS. That is your common mode rejection ratio for MOSFET based amplifier. This will be in numerator, so 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So that is GM into RS. Fine. And for double-ended, we have already seen for double-ended the differential mode gain will be same. That is that is GM into RD. That is what you have. But for double-ended output, common mode gain is 0. So the common mode rejection ratio will be GM upon RD divided by 0. So that will be infinite. But you please see this. So by seeing this, I can definitely conclude here what the common mode rejection ratio can be increased by decreasing RS, right? So in case of MOSFET, we have circuit exactly similar to that of BJT. Circuit is similar. There is no difference in topology of the circuit. The only thing is change of the transistors. So here it is RS. This is MOSFET based differential amplifier. So I can increase common mode rejection ratio by increasing RS. That is one. Common mode rejection ratio of MOSFET based differential amplifier can be increased by increasing RS, or by replacing this by a current source like this. We know the resistance of current source is infinite ideally, so that gives the very high value of common mode rejection ratio. So this is all about the common mode rejection ratio of BJT as well as MOSFET based differential amplifier. So in next and of course that finishes your differential amplifier. So we will be starting with the next topic now onward, that is operational amplifier. This topic, that is differential amplifier, is important for objective type paper. You don't have descriptive or conventional type of questions in engineering services, but there can be 1 mark question in GATE and in engineering services prelims. So that finishes your topic. Thank you very much for watching the video.